All right, so welcome again to the fourth part, sizing of inverter. In previous classes, we have dealt with load analysis, so that we got this daily energy consumption. I've done a panel sizing, I've done a battery bank sizing. So those are the values we got. Now for sizing inverter, this is the formula: total power rating of all appliances times 1.25 over the efficiency of inverters. Now I'll explain what this means. 1.25 is is the tolerance you give your load, or you give the inverter, because sometimes um let's say we already calculated our TV is weighing 110 watts, and probably something happens and we now say let us change our TV and go for one that is now weighing 150 watts. So you see that we can't use the exact power rating that we already got earlier. So we always give allowances just in case there's any change, and also for the inverter to breathe. So let's say your total load is say 250 watts. You can't give it 250 watts. You have to give allowance so that the component in the inverter will not heat up. Now, efficiency of inverters, I think in the beginning I said that there are types of inverters, the type of batteries, types of panels, and types of charge controllers. So depending on the inverter type, you should know the efficiency of these inverters. So depending on the type, you should know the efficiency of these inverters. So we're going to assume hours, and then so let's go ahead. First, our total power rating of our classes was was 250 watts. Was 250 watts, if I'm correct. But let us check again. We said one TV at 110 watts. We said decoder at 30 watts. We said fan at 80 watts. And we said lighting point at 30 watts. So let's add this up. 110 plus 30 is 140. 140 plus 80 is 220. 220 plus 30 is 250 watts. So our total power rating of our appliances is 250 watts. So 250 watts times 1.25. Now, the inverter I'm using has an efficiency of 90%. So if we calculate this, 250 watts times 1.25, 202.5 divided by 90%. I have 347. I have 347.2 watts. So this is supposed to be an inverter size, but inverters are rated in the minimum is 500 watts. We have 1000 watts. We have 1500 watts. We have 2000 watts. We have 2100 watts. I believe you understand. You get the check. So this is 3.7, and we don't have it here. So the minimum we'll go for here is 500 watts. So therefore, this is what we need here. We need an inverter size of 500 watts, 500 power. So I'm going to recap all over again. Inverter size is total power rating of all appliances times 1.25 over efficiency of inverter. I said that 1.25 is the tolerance, is tolerance for both inverter and your load. in case there's change of load, or in case, and also for your inverter's health. So we have done calculation. We have 347.22, but the least inverter size is 500 watts. So therefore, inverter size is 500 watts. I hope that's very explainable.